Lukin flirted with the boundary. The United States needed her to calm everything down. She does that.
Ashlee really likes the Olympics.
She does that with her father right now in the stands watching, and that in and of itself has to be a weird experience for her.
Well, that was awesome, and she wants to do it.
She's been watching the Olympics for, I don't know, like the last 20 minutes or something.
Gold medalist for the former Soviet Union, Aviary, and like you said, though, that is exactly what this team needed. Ground them, show them that it's.
I wonder if she's rooting for the U.S. or Australia. She caught you.
Like, oh, she's even got a snack.
She's having popcorn while she watches TV.
Wednesday, September 24th.
She knew a commercial was coming. Alright, Ashlee, I'll leave you